It's almost back to school time and we are getting ready. My daughter is going into the 5th grade and she wanted to put together an emergency kit to keep in her backpack. So these are the essentials that she decided she needed to carry to have in her emergency kit. So of course we have the bag, and let's see what we got here. Let me put this down. So we picked up these cute little silicone travel jars. They came in a 2-pack at Dollar Tree, $1.25 for both of them. And what do you have in each of these, B?
I have lotion in one and Arnicare
Okay, Ornicare
bruise.
bruise gels in the other one. So these are just, they're so cute. I love them. We also, she has her little mini hairbrush, some wipes. These wipes are also from Dollar Tree and they're cool. They come, they actually come in a big bag, but I don't know how many, say 25 are in a bag of individually wrapped face and body wipes. These are great. We actually use these. We went to Disney World a few weeks ago and we used these there and loved them. I find even though they say they're eucalyptus scented, they're not super strong. Highly recommend. Can't beat it. $1.25 for a huge bag of them. All right, what else we've got? We've got our Tic Tacs, her mini deodorant, some feminine products. We're not quite there yet, but I think it's a good idea at her age to just get used to start carrying that in case that happens. That's definitely emergency kit stuff, right, B? We also have a mini pack of Kleenex, hand sanitizer, her perfume, her mist, I should say. Oh, because, that's essential.
Yes.
Her lip gloss, her lip balm. These are precious. We actually picked these up. They were in a 2-pack at Dollar Tree. There's some little baby Sol de Janeiro dupes of little chapsticks, but that's precious. I thought they were so cute. So she has that. Did we mention the Tide pen? No. Okay, so Tide pen for if she spills anything. Their uniforms, they have white shirts, which who thought that was a good idea for children. But anyway, she's covered. She has her Tide pen, some tweezers. Okay. Oh, a mirror. Let's see. It's a little compact mirror. We also picked this up at $1.25 Tree. Perfect. They had different colors. She wanted the lavender. We also picked up these cute little bags. They're little silicone travel bags, and I love that they have the little keychain. Is that what you call that? A keychain clip?
Yeah.
To clip it on a bag or a purse. Little zippered silicone, and they're a good size. They're small, but I love that they're zippered and waterproof since they're silicone. So what do you have in this one?
I
Okay.
have toothpicks, cough drops, and
Band-aids.
Band-Aids.
Okay, so that's essentials number 1. What's in essentials number 2? Let's take a look.
Hair ties
Oh,
and
hair ties
some,
and barrettes. Looks like
yes.
some little clips. Perfect. So I just thought these are so cute, and they had different colors. They had like a mint green, pink,
Pink and gray.
and gray. And of course, I don't know, her little bag that she's going to stow everything in. But yep, that's a look at all her essentials for her emergency kit. I think she did pretty good putting her stuff together. What do you guys think?